Here we were discussing question number 3, right? Till here, B1 we did. Now we are continuing the next. Three. Okay, now describe the nature. Describe the nature or characteristics or properties of the image I. So in your notes, if you go through, you would find that we got the image in convex lens. In convex lens, we got the image for camera or eye. Then we got it for projector. And finally, we got it for magnifying glass, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so therefore all the diagrams you got properties of image, right? You got it is real or virtual. You got it for camera or eye, you got real. For projector, you got real. For magnifying glass, you got virtual, right? Isn't it? Isn't it, Mahi
Yes, sir.
and Monica? So in this diagram, the image you are getting, this is also real because it is produced on the other side of the object. When it is real, always it is producing other side of the object. Is it clear?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
And we got also another definition of real, that is real is that image which one we can show on the screen, we can produce on the screen. So if it is other side, then it is possible to show on the screen, otherwise not. So from all this discussion, we understand it is real. Then we see the image is inverted, right? It's vertically inverted, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because it is upside down. You see, the head is downwards. That's why we say inverted, vertically inverted. Then another property is, you see, object is bigger and the image is smaller. So we say diminished, right?
Yes, sir.
So we say it diminished. Now you got three properties, right? One is real, another one is inverted, another one is what?
Yes,
Diminished, right?
yes, sir.
So let us see now your answer, what you wrote. The image I found by the lens can be upright or inverted, magnified or diminished, real or virtual. So you wrote everything, right?
Yes.
But for this image, they are specifically asking you the characteristics. You see,
Oh, sir,
describe
I
the
thought they were talking.
of the image I. This image.
Hmm.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you cut the other part. Can be upright. You don't say. You say just right. Image I formed by the lens is inverted diminished, real. The other things you cut and give here -3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now Monica's one. Uh, so Monica wrote here inverted. So the image will be produced by projectors. It is real and magnified as well, inverted. So is it produced by the projector or camera or eye? Huh?
I don't know.
Hello, Monica.
Yes, sir.
If if it is diminished, and it is produced by camera or eye. Is it clear?
Yes,
Because
sir.
the image size is smaller. It's not magnified. So your two answers here you wrote real, inverted. These two we are taking. The other one magnified. You cut. Cut means here you give cross, a small cross, then down bottom of this magnified you write diminished. And other than writing projector, you write camera or eye. Is it clear? So here you give -1. Give here -1. So
Okay, sir.
three is also done, right? Now we are going to two. Question two first. Uh, question two, we have Mahi's answer available here. Two.
I only did B and D.
So why didn't give other part?
I didn't understand C or and A I couldn't do.
Okay, okay. Now you'll understand. Okay, so A, here you write A, then you write NR. Capital N, capital R, you write.
Okay, sir.
NR means no response. Okay?
Okay, sir.
NR you write no response, and also for C, you write no response. Then we are taking Monica's one. Monica, you sent new email, right?
Sir, the new one.
Yeah, I'm going there. So for this one, I told you to try on the graph paper. So you tried it. While you are sending, you should send it horizontal, okay? Then I can take it better. I can check in ease. Anyway, let us see the question. Let us see the question first. Can you read Mahi question?
Sir, a converging lens has a focal length of 3.0 centimeter. An object of height 2.0 centimeter is placed 5.0 centimeter from the center of the lens. Figure 2.1 shows the arrangement of the object and the lens. A. On figure 2.1, draw rays from the top of the object to show that the lens forms an image of the object. Mark the image clearly.
Okay, so here we have some information. Look, they are saying focal length is 3 centimeter. Focal length is 3 centimeter and object of height 2 centimeter is placed 5 centimeter from the center of the lens. So the object position is 5 centimeter away from the lens. And your focal length is 3 centimeter. Object height is 2 centimeter. Object height is given in the diagram. We do not need to draw it, it's already there. So we have to identify one thing especially, that is 3 centimeter, where it is given about focal length. If you know focal length, then you can find the position of focal point, right? Now on figure 2.1, draw rays from the top of the object to show how the lens forms the image of the object. Mark the image clearly. So what you have to do, Mahi, you have the graph paper in your house?
No, sir. No, sir.
Tomorrow you buy some. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow you buy some, and the way I'm showing you now, you do it tomorrow, okay?
Okay, sir.
Look, what is our first task? We have to first identify the focal point. Here is your optical center. Okay, this point is your optical center. Then from there, you see 1 centimeter means 5 small squares, right? 1, 2,
Yes,
3,
sir.
4, 5. So here is 5, another 5 here, then another 5 here. So we are getting here focal point in this position, 3 centimeter away from the optical center, right? And it is
Yes,
F.
sir.
It is F. Now, after getting F, they are saying top of the object, we have to show the ray diagrams so that we can get the position of the image and label the image position as I. So what you have to do, we have to draw one parallel line here. Then we come here and pass it through the focal point, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then another line you should go through the optical center and pass it directly without bending, right?
Yes,
Without
sir.
bending, straight it will go. Then they are intersecting at this point, so it is your image, right? Image position, and here will be the image head. So label it as image, okay?
Okay,
That
sir.
was object, now it is image. You label here it as image. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So they are saying, so this part is over, part A is over. Then Mahi, you give -2 here. As it
Okay.
is no response, you give here -2. Now we take Monica's one. Monica, you drew it nicely and it is correct, right? What do you think, Mahi? It is correct, right? You see, the first one. Then she gave here focal point 1, 2, 3. Monica, focal point.
Yes, sir.
You took this as 1 centimeter, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4 you took. So you took the focal length 4 centimeter.
No, sir. I took 3 centimeter.
From the optical
The
center,
one is.
check.
Oh, okay.
From the optical center to till here, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yes, sir.
4 centimeters. So this one correct, eh? Other things I can see it is fine. Your the way of drawing is correct. Just you labeled focal point incorrectly. Other things are correct. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So here you give -1 as your focal point you did incorrectly. That's why you will give here -1. You identify it why you got -1 because tomorrow you'll forget. Your focal point should be after 3 centimeter, okay? Not 4 centimeter. The image is magnified. The image is magnified. State one other feature of the image. So what will be other feature? Other feature it is inverted, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Mahi? Mahi is not there. So other feature it is inverted, then it is real. Any one you can write. You can write real or you can write inverted. So what you wrote? Inverted. Okay, here you got one. You give your tick. Give your tick for this part. It's correct. Then next part, calculate the linear magnification produced by the lens in this case. So linear magnification, it depends how much you are getting the length, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you got here, you
3
got
centimeter.
here your calculation. I think I have to check it. I think it is correct. However, I have to check again. So to be confirmed. So you got from here it is 1, 2, 3. Then here you got 2. So 3 by 2, right? So according to ECF, it is correct, and you are getting here 1 mark. 1 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are getting here mark or 2 here. Calculate the linear magnification produced by the lens in this case. So okay, 2 marks you will get. It is ECF. You write there ECF, huh?
Okay.
Right here ECF, you are getting here full marks. And they are asking you state the name of one optical device that produces a magnified image as shown by the figure point 1. So it is projector. You wrote also projector, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
now you are more confident because you got lots of discussions, right? That's why
Yes,
you
sir.
could write it correctly. Okay, very good. Now, project it is done. Question 2 is also done. So, question 2, you lost how much? 1 mark, right?
1 mark.
1 mark you
Yes,
lost.
sir.
So, you gave your -1, right? You count now. You count your marks. Count all the marks. And at the beginning of your test paper, the one you gave earlier, that one you write how many marks you got.
2, 3, 4. It's four,
Yeah, check all
four,
the minus marks,
five,
you
five.
add them up and check how much is the minus marks total, then you subtract from 20.
Mhm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16.
So you write here 16 by 20 equals 80%. Give double star. Over 80% you give double star. If 70%, then I give 1 star. If 80%, double star. If 90%, then triple star. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You got here double star. So write the date. Today's after you wrote 80%. There you write today's date. Today we checked it. 21/11/2020. Okay.
21.
You attach your graph one with this paper. Okay, with this stapler.
Okay, sir. Mhm.
So today that's all right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your cooperation,
Sir.
patience, hard work. We will continue in our next class. Okay, dispersion of light.
Sir,
Yes,
you didn't give dispersion of light worksheet.
I gave most probably. Did you check?
Yes, sir.
I gave. Dispersion of light also we discussed maybe little bit, right? Didn't we?
Mm. No, the
Okay,
worksheet, the same
okay, let me
worksheet.
check. Let me check. Here you go. Ah, this is you see
Oh,
uh, to 19 on 19 I uploaded it. Check.
okay. Okay, sir.
I gave it to that day after class I gave. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you try as much as possible. Huh? Dispersion of light. Okay, that's all right. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.